What if I told you that something as small as a pumpkin seed, yes, that innocent little seed, could be silently triggering irreversible reactions inside your body? You eat them for health, right? For zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants. But the truth is, 8 common mistakes people make with pumpkin seeds can actually flip your health goals upside down, leading to bloating, hormonal imbalance, and even inflammation you may never fully reverse. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know what these mistakes are, but also how to fix them today before any real damage is done. Why pumpkin seeds matter? Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are tiny nutrient bombs. They're packed with magnesium for your heart, zinc for your immune system, omega-3s to fight inflammation, and amino acids that help your body repair itself while you sleep. As powerful as they are, their benefits completely depend on how you eat, store, and prepare them. Get those details wrong, and your body might start treating them not as medicine, but as toxins. Mistake number 1. Eating them raw and unsoaked. Raw pumpkin seeds are coated in phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that blocks the absorption of zinc, magnesium, and iron. So instead of nourishing your body, you're actually starving your cells of minerals. Fix. Always soak raw pumpkin seeds in warm salted water for 6 to 8 hours, then dry or lightly roast them. This breaks down phytic acid and activates enzymes that make digestion smoother and nutrient absorption stronger. Mistake number 2. Over-roasting or burning the seeds. Many people roast them until they're dark and crispy. But here's the problem. High heat above 170 degrees destroys healthy fats and vitamin E, turning a superfood into a source of free radicals. Fix. Roast lightly on low heat, just until they smell nutty and turn light golden, not brown. Mistake number 3. Eating too many at once. More is better, right? Not this time. Pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense and rich in omega-6 fats. Eating too many, more than 2 tablespoons a day, can cause an omega imbalance that triggers inflammation, bloating, and hormonal swings. Fix. Stick to 1 or 2 tablespoons daily and pair them with omega-3 sources like flax. Mistake number 4. Buying pre-salted or flavored seeds. Those packaged, roasted and salted versions might taste great, but they often hide sodium, MSG, and hydrogenated oils that completely cancel out the benefits. Fix. Always buy plain, unsalted organic seeds and flavor them at home with pink salt, turmeric, or herbs. Mistake number 5. Ignoring the expiry date. Pumpkin seeds are high in healthy fats, but those fats go rancid quickly when exposed to air or sunlight. Once oxidized, they form lipid peroxides that can harm your liver and even damage DNA. Fix. Store them in airtight glass jars, away from heat and light, and never buy in bulk unless you'll finish them within 2 months. Mistake number 6. Eating them at the wrong time. Timing matters. If you eat pumpkin seeds right after a heavy meal, they can slow digestion and cause bloating. Fix. The best time is mid-morning or early evening, when your stomach isn't too full and your digestion is active. Mistake number 7. Thinking pumpkin seeds work the same for everyone. Not true. If you have low blood pressure, thyroid imbalance, or high uric acid, eating too many pumpkin seeds might actually make things worse. That's because their magnesium and purine content can influence hormone and uric acid levels. Fix. If you have a medical condition, check with your doctor before adding them daily. Mistake number 8. Ignoring the fiber load. Pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber, which is great until you overdo it. A sudden fiber overload can cause constipation, gas, or even mild gut irritation. Fix. Start small, 1 teaspoon daily, and increase slowly while drinking plenty of water. What happens when you fix these mistakes? Once you correct these 8 habits, something magical happens. Your digestion feels lighter, your skin starts to clear, and your sleep improves. Your hormones, especially testosterone and estrogen, begin to rebalance naturally, because now you're finally absorbing magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants the way your body is meant to. So before you grab another handful of pumpkin seeds, pause and ask yourself, am I eating them right? Or am I making one of these 8 mistakes that could trigger long-term damage? If you've learned something new today, share this video with a friend who eats seeds every day. You might just save them from an irreversible mistake. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Until then, take care of your body, stay aware, and remember, small changes today can prevent big regrets tomorrow.